President Mahama. And I am Mebunibia. Miss say me go sister yes. Minisika could be back with the Betane. And now they said the Jira for Kunkumu.
Enti ejabo eja enya beduru ene 26 July 2025 after say Ghana for Brune boy ho no ewo Accra Mountain so na ho no ye twi momeme ye kire etia the Igbo community, the Igbo king and the Igbo people in Ghana here say ye mpewe mu. We know they hear any Igbo man. In fact, Nigerians must go. And another demonstration echoes ewa Accra Mountain. So na memo video no who said the isiko no achire wadwen amame ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Mesra say ni dimo. Obe like video no that my boss subscribe button and snap back click the notification icon for latest updates. Now ba chire wadwen dia mame ewo comment section. Mesra so baswa. No achieve no from so enya bi ashe. Enti Igbo king any nonsense 7. I'll be giving you many videos on that. Now the very latest a demonstration like Ghana for be air plan the youth in air plan. Say over demonstration etia the Igbo man, the Igbo king in Ghana or any Igbo people. In fact, a best stand up Nigeria for nyina ye say when you nim say Yoruba ni ye say Igbo ni dey no say omunya Nigeria for. Am I even answer crown no there e kan dey actually eye. Obeka na say na say chase some Nigeria for nipu makumako 50. Awomo no they are suspected for human trafficking. Just say omukwa chinipa edne ba bebo ahyewo ye kwa chinipa edne ye an robber just say robbery adwuma koso Ghana hado do na na. E fine Nigeria for yi. Ahyewo mugu akra ho HIV ibu atia tese wa Ghana mountain so o ma na echeche ko ma na de ahyewo ba Ghana ha na nka Ghana fo ni ma de be fe na ahyewo eye wo mu ena de ba sibra jantra bra ebra Ghana saso we so eti Ghana for ever since Igbo king is and by Ghana for na din kwon se de o mu hia no eti ba ka Hassan Ayarga APC flag bearer ene Ghana for din kan plan e ezenka last week ana demonstration ever so last week 19th July 2025 when Anakana there was going to be a demonstration but Sirabe Mahama calling off because na or say ontiminya police for emfa more your home ban ontiminya police emfa more youth no ehon ba ema no kwa youth for ebufu ye ebi fire Mahama kakra but o man tia na o ga say there be say eno na maso o mesa share another one the week foforo be saba na so abusuya na apopia on the internet say enene 26 corner no Mahama a program about independence as a program no ni nyina ne say after Black Star Marathon no kick start e be start e wo guys o mo ko race ni ade no marathon no o be start e wo independence ko mo start no independence square etina Mahama e be wase wala say o be receive special guest of honor e wase eti sira kwenese akwese no so no e demonstration ain't me maso but you think I say there be kian ne ke say Mahama do so onya police e mo ye ho ban ya on fa no ho e be ba so
Busiafo Mr. Moya tete say enkofo bi ed information me tutu say ochena ye dwumadie no emba so yesre mo ochena ye dwumadie no ebeba so e wo circle of transport mo amhwa wa wo be bia make sure say wo beje wo Ghana flag red gold and me hwechi black no way red gold green and a black star no boechi obi a make sure say ochena obebe kan ye ho na ye work no a ye pese ye no ye be ye ochena amana ye fefe nti yesre mo obi bia o te se ochena dwumadie na emba so bia yesre beba so na wo ba we na wuhia yen we pen na wuhia yen we red gold green and then the black star colors
busanfo yesre mo dwumadie ndi ya tanya me ya adoma e talim gidigidi obi o beka se dwumadie we maso bia no wo boa na me ya adoma ye sha wo bra ampaya edwa nti obi ama ama ne ho nya ha ano pasa na wo ha na bibia ntimi sha ase pepepe dada mase
ade di kan se pese mbusa ye president say wonim niema ekoso na wo Ghana unless say one thing wonim say ye kidnap ono akrom Ghana for wonim say ye kunkum yen wate ana one thing ye ka see ye demonstration etia eniema ekoso ena so ba thank you to Kumasi. Meanwhile, the two abani we walk with the Kumasi for us you. And need any boo, you be anchored. Now, 26 Saturday, na yes, no. What's see we a guest of honor or a Black Star, whatever marathon. It means it's a yenti means I need demonstration. President Mahama and my young fam ran shayen sim. Yen drew ho. The akoso man, minimum say, no matter what, wabushi and yana baby won't be done. O mate convoy dem enkrofo a ye chi wo mu kidnap mu ebi nto no mada Yena yenam from ye. Yena yeni to me wa ben biem. Yeni yabusianfo ne ho be na wo se wo ye panyini na wo tena se amasedwiafo a minim samaka ni ya ye bu na nkarefo a ya papa Mahama udi mpem unless it's all catch ya inside a wunyini wala taninti no bibia concerning them is okay for you pese e be demonstration na yate
Emma enwa kwa me if you catch them say there be demonstration ha na you say nke baso ne but anhwa Emma so be say Mahama ebe program Independence Square but say na akwa na Ghana flag ese ne kom eka no demonstration ene eba so Ghana police ankobo mebru no ho bai Mahama eye ne program Independence Square but concerned citizen Mahama program e course Independence Square na Accra Mountain so the mebru no age ho no mafa TSC Chrome ye chere ese Igbo king and the Nigerian people in Ghana no we must expatriate them ye hia omu bia ye no matena se aye omu nko omu krom ye hia omu bia demonstration e ko so ne
ye members e kwa nyumuri sorry ye members kwa nyumuri sorry ye programs ye fasting ya de anyumuri asafuma ne ba na asafuba ba na sofwe wasafuba aba no aba sorry no kofie na nipa bonefo akotwa no kwan mu ni ekomu no ni ni asofo ayifa tight no be free aba ayifa na collections no e be free aba ayifa na asoriba no benye sika no atade no de abrel eti me nua no asofo mesremu Ghana ha be bia obi a wo bia no mo bi amfanya asemi hia na edu bibi se ya nyina tinya tu anamo ni aba na ye jai say we timamfo me archbishop na make say no asofo more than 12,000 e wo Ghana ha ene amanone eti sa me matimi baby am wo pa matiti etu anamo aba bie na me hwida say me hu Pentecost for me hu assemblies for me hu action faith for me hu ajiasare for divine less for ni anzi nyina na me hu because ya dansaniemu ya dawahamu ya damaniemu ya mako school ya yirimu kodwa ya yirimu tupai na ni paponi foi se ukodi o munsamu a before be wukura no abrani amani obefam ansa na wawu no asori e mo be anyina yempie ekremoku e mo be anyina yempie ni amfanya asemihia na yanhwe na yantoto no maye because ya no bamu a be gidi pass e enu ma be koye na se ya no amam ni a German say when a group of people na me be pesa no man na abaku na tia ye otsira yanim and ebegu ase.
Where do we do this? Only from Nigeria. Can any Ghanaian go there and say I'm going to create a kingdom? No. And I am here say we have bloggers, we have serious musicians. I don't know what they are expecting. I don't know what they want to happen before they will get up. Because at the end of the day, flight president, private jet, Ghana immigration. We don't want the fact that
according to Nsema Okano, Enyadia or Yen Adris or Babette Kingdom, Eyadia Oji assassin and Kawaii and it's more. And as a baby on the
let me tell you the
Nigeria,
Nigerians are smart, especially Igbos. They are very smart. Our video on Wankasaka say, Obabe claiming Obabe land. Now I hear Igbo kingdom. There's difference between buying a land and doing development or doing but he said in the video that he is going to create an Igbo kingdom. In the kingdom, you have more, you have schools, you have other things, and even there, or the Nigeria from Penyah for Omewu, Omabedi or mine so that he said, Oba Ghana ha, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Atame Osumo, or the Francophone din about 2 streets. Who does that? In somebody's country, in somebody's home, when they say Obi I invite you in the field. No, so Brabedi 3 days on the field. Now why we are invited to say Brabedi 3 days on the field? Oba mi field no. Oba be chere baby a obeda. Eduani a obedi. Insu obeno. Who does that? Tell me. Anyway, a very serious issue, and it is about time I was saying. We are fighting this thing. We are not fighting Nigerians, no. We have Nigerian friends, we have most of them, some of them are good. But we are fighting the ideology that he said he's creating a kingdom. If you understand kingdom, Ghana, we have only one kingdom, which is the Ashanti kingdom. Even Ochiman Grand friend the kingship is a kingdom. Now what if we create kingdom? I mean, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. So we have to stop him. We either have to deport him or we stop him. So we are waiting for my dad. He will come and then we'll see how it goes. If anyone has any questions.
This gathering is very simple. We are Ghanaians, and at the moment, I think every Ghanaian, there's a trend going on out there that Ghana is not safe. There's a lot of kidnappings going on. As you can look behind me, just in the space of 2 weeks, we've lost about 8 of our Ghanaian brothers and sisters through kidnapping and then, circumstances which is very strange to understand. And at this point, we decided to come out to speak to our leaders that the kidnapping cases that is going on in Ghana is too much. We don't feel safe in our own country anymore. And as youth of this country, we've been able to assess the situation, and we've realized that there are so many, immigrants that are coming into Ghana without any proper checks. They get to our borders, they just enter Ghana, they commit crimes, and sometimes getting them is very difficult. So today we are gathered here to create an awareness, which is one, to let Ghanaians know that we are not safe anymore. Everyone should be careful wherever you are. Make sure if you are moving around in the night, you have safety measures in place. You have your, something to defend yourself.
What are the safety measures, and are they, guarded by law?
The safety measures, you have to make sure you have the ones that are guarded by law. There are safety measures which is guarded by law. If you don't know how to get this kind of safety measures, we entreat you to go to any nearest police station, go and ask them that I need something to protect myself due to the current happenings in Ghana. And secondly, as Ghanaians, we heard there is a man from Nigeria claiming to be, according to the Ghana Traditional Council, he is claiming to be a king, and he was stamped as the self-acclaimed Igbo king. We as Ghanaians are very, very not happy with the way our politicians are quiet on this issue. The media is quiet on this issue. Our mainstream musicians, everybody is quiet. And we as citizens on this country, looking at the atrocities some of our neighboring countries are committing in Ghana, we cannot sit down and allow them have a king as well in Ghana.
So before you go there, so who do you blame for the lives that we've lost here? Who are the cause, or who do you blame for that?
So we blame our authorities, we blame the Ghana Immigration Service, we blame the Ghana Police Service, because they see these things happening in Ghana and they overlook it. And at this point, we are putting all the blames on them, and we are telling them straightforward that they should sit up and then do the needful, because the citizens of this country who voted for them and then give them the mandate to be the police, to be the immigration, we are not safe in the country anymore. And these are the evidences of life.
So why is the focus on the Nigerians?
So the focus is not only on the Nigerians, the focus is on anybody that is in Ghana without proper documentation. We don't know what the person is doing, being it Nigerian, being it Nigerian, being it Cameroonian, being it Senegalese. But why, or the reason why you see more focus on Nigerians is because when you go into our database, most of the crimes that are committed by foreigners are Nigerians. So that is the reason why you see it to be something which is focusing on Nigerians. But we are not focusing on Nigerians alone. We are focusing on how we will be safe as Ghanaians.
So apart from this work, what are you?
Police report.
President Mahama, Ghana police, Ghana police, Ghana police, Munasi from as an IGP, you were too much. I saw for those who come, yeah, Bredodo. Aday, Nigeria for the Chroma, no more yen, Yamabasa, Fukum near Amafua, Isu, Yes, your police will from her. Munya Majuma, Munya Majuma. Ghana Immigration Service. Ghana Immigration.
And I am Mebunibia. Me say, me go sister, yes. Me Nisika, a Kubi Babi, the Betane. And when they said the Jira for ever Kunkumuye. The Sani Ebetina, I ask high. Now on my beer, Abba, as I say, Yaja, or Wanti, no, Yajo Moa, Sana JJ Rollins, Liberia, Yakukumu or Moa, or whom Mobo, a Quadro Mobile, Liberia for Abajas, I say, a Kumuganda for Saha, Liberia need no to assassinate in my Ghana. About the sign and the Nigeria for, and so I beg you, my more, Yan more some jet, no more say Kukuye. E kanya tukwa e kamumu yankasa na nkomu jae kunkum na omukunkum ye no na yantro manu mu asomtwe se de beya Africa nyina ye se yanka ye humbom no e beya adwuma nti de mesre ni se John Mahama adu mira so e ye wona wuti akonnwa ne so John Mahama wona wuti akonnwa ne so nti be bunkotoje e wo wadi mu asra o se wo ye mobo kakra ne ye bre John Mahama for nansi for mine na ye bre ya tete ya huna mane opia wontu me mafie opia na wo ye mo hihyew esa asa wo ne me se wo kwa ye bekum ye kum ya yirenum e mai kakra ye be ware omo ye kunkum om wa ye be ware omo John Mahama ubai be kasa fane ma me ben ware na wo ye esa asa be ni sikanti esu be na me koto abade ma ho me na me koto aba ade ma ho ye kum ye ka ye sugu so wo fi ye esa se be tese wo kase wo antibi o ye Nigeria ni ona tetew enti yenkase fetuo kunkum Nigeria fo enye sad ye ka dia ye kan say Nigeria fo na ye hu omubobo ye wotima ye wo akuma kwade ba omo no sad Nigeria fo ya ekum ye eke omu ja ye kum kakra ona ye bre ye hu amane medam ase ade wo
ase na raho sem ne se as a youth no and I fight for that. Ghana mpanifo ayi omani. Demonstration yanya police amo obi ahụ ban. Ube va chere wa agene ama me e wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah Media. Accra.